All right, anybody else in their second gens got a shitty top here? I'm gonna show you how to change it out. We got a new one. Well, new to me, it's from the junkyard, but it doesn't have any holes in it. Way better condition than the other one. We got that from the junkyard. I got a little trim tool here. Let's get it guarded. Put this back. Oh, let's slide it up here. All right, gotta prop this trim out here. Well, that was easy, didn't even need anything. All right, that's got that. All right, you see this little pin in here? Oh, my screwdriver's all the way over there on the other side. All right, we're gonna hit the pin out. All right, now we're gonna go to the other side. Other side, put your chair up, grab your needle noses here, and woo, just like that. All right, we're gonna keep that in there because we're gonna reuse this. We are gonna reuse that there. So we'll take that off here, grab our new and improved one. And this one's got a couple, it's got one of these things that's busted off, but it's not gonna hurt because it traveled, that pin goes through all of these. So we should be good. Then we'll shove that back in there. Line our stuff back up here. Grab our pin. Put our pin back in here. Clip your clips in. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This one's been like that since I got the truck. Old as shit. And now we got the, come on. My truck's dirty as fuck. We got tools everywhere. Let's go. It's nice. Yes, sir. Just like that. No more hole for the old elbow. And I took the old, I broke a couple tabs off of this that was in there. That's why this was hanging out. I took a couple of the old tabs off the other one, cut them off, and plastic welded them bitches on. And now it's not coming off. We look good. Let's go. I like it a lot. There you go, y'all. More you know. Come on.